Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the Ganiza Smart Toaster 2-slice with touchscreen, a modern upgrade that brings smart control and precision to your everyday breakfast. This toaster features a responsive touchscreen display with a digital countdown timer, so you always know exactly how much time is left for perfect toast, no more guesswork. It also supports multiple modes like defrost, reheat, and cancel, making it super versatile for different types of bread and situations. You get wide slots, which easily fit thick slices, bagels, or artisan bread without squeezing or uneven toasting. Plus, the plus or minus 10-second fine-tune control lets you adjust the browning level with precision to match your exact preference. The full stainless steel body not only looks premium, but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. And with a removable crumb tray, maintenance is quick and hassle-free. With up to 925W power, it delivers fast and even heating, giving you consistent results every time. Overall, the Ganiza Smart Toaster is perfect if you want a sleek, easy-to-use, and precise toasting experience with modern touchscreen convenience. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.